Good morning. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Anyway, do you remember me? Do you remember our last class? Yes, in our last class, we studied what is sequence of events. Do you remember? Then please say what is sequence? Sequence simply means an order. Okay. Then what is events? Events means the things that happens in a story is called events. Okay. Then after that, we studied a story. The story named The Blue Kites. And our blue kite's name is Sippy. Do you remember, children? Where does Sippy decided to go? Yes, Sippy decided to go China. For what? Yes, to see the Chinese kites, isn't it? Okay, after that we retell that story. Do you remember that? Yes. How we retell that story? We retell that story by using first what happens in the story, then what happens in the story, next what happens in the story, after that what happens in the story, and finally what happens in the story. Why we use these words? Yes, by using these words, we will get the correct sequence. Okay. The sequence is very important. Okay. While retelling a story or retelling the events from a story, the sequence is very important. Okay. So, by using story map, we can retell the story. So, please be ready. It's a new method to us. Okay. And today our aim is to use a story map to retell the important events from a story in a correct sequence. Okay. See students, this is a format of a story map. First one, title of the story. Then what is the story about? Then where does it take place? And what happens in the story at beginning, middle, end and the lesson learned from the story. Okay. So this is a format of a story map. Okay. Then how a story map helps us? Do you know what is a story map? Yes, a story map helps the reader to retell and summarize the important events from a story in a correct sequence, and it gives the overall view of a story. How it helps us? Yes, a story map helps us the readers. Yes, we all are readers, so it helps us to retell. Retell means say again, and summarize. Summarize means make it short. The important events from a story in a correct sequence. Okay. We know that while retelling a story, we include only the important events and avoid all the unimportant details. So here our story map helps us to retell and summarize the important events from a story in a correct sequence. Okay. And it gives the overall view of the story. Okay. We here include only the important events. Okay. So let's start. So then take your workbook, page number 22. Here you can see a story map. Isn't it? Is it clear to you, children? Okay. At page number 22, block 3, S2, you can see a story map. Okay. So now let's start. Yes, now let's start with the story map of Mala Goes to School. Do you remember that story, Mala Goes to School? Yes, we studied in our first block. Do you like that story? Yes, let's start. So, shall we make a story map of Mala Goes to School? Are you ready, children? Say loudly. Are you ready? Okay. Then, title of the story. Yes, we know that title of the story is Mala Goes to School. Mala goes to school. We know that title of the story is Mala Goes to School. Do you remember that story, children? Then please reply me. Say loudly. Yes, the title of the story is Mala Goes to School. Okay. Then what is the story about? Yes, The story is about? Yes, the story is about Mala. So, it is about Mala. Is it clear to you? We know that the title of the story is Mala Goes to School, and the story says about Mala. Okay, so it is about Mala. Then where does it take place? The story takes place in a village. Okay. Take place in a village. Do you remember that story, children? Where does it take place? Yes, it takes place in a village. Okay. Then what happens in the story? Please say what happens in that story. Yes, here you need not write anything. You have to write what happens in the beginning, what happens in the middle, and what happens the end. Okay. So what happens in the beginning? Please say what happens in the beginning. Yes. At first, we know that Mala longs to go to school with her brother Somu. We know that her brother Somu goes to school every day, but Mala's parents never send her to school. So at first, Mala longs to go to school with her brother Somu. So in the beginning, Mala longs to go to school with her brother Somu. Okay, in the beginning we can see Mala was very sad. Why she was so sad? Because she can't go to school. Okay, so in the beginning, Mala longs to go to school with her brother Somu. Okay. Then at middle, what happened? Yes. After filling her pot, she rushes to go to school. For what? Yes. She rushes to go to school and she fixes her pot and sits outside the class. Yes, Mala fixes her pot and sits outside the class. Do you remember this, children? Yes. Okay, at the end what happened? At the end, Mala's parents sent her to school. Why? She helped the students. How she helped? Yes, she took that snake and throw it out, and all the students was very happy, and teacher asked permission to Mala's parents to send her school. So Mala's parents sent her school. So at the end what happened? Yes, at the end Mala's parents sent her to school. Okay. Here we include only the important details and avoid all the unimportant details. Okay. Here we include only the important events. So while writing a story map, please include only the important events and avoid all the unimportant details. Okay. So please say the lesson learned from this story. Yes, we know that Mala's intention was very strong. What was her intention? Yes, she likes to go to school, but unfortunately she can't go to school. Why? Yes, before going to school, she needs to go jungle to fill her pots. Okay, so her intention was strong, and finally that's happened. Okay, finally what happens? Yes, finally Mala goes to school. So the lesson learned is, where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, we can say that. were the So, where there is a will, there is a way. So, here Mala's intention was very strong. So, finally that happens. Okay. So, please look at here once. I will explain it for you. Title of the story. Yes, title of the story is Mala Goes to School. Okay. Then what is the story about? Yes, of course, the story is about Mala. Then where does it take place? Yes, the story take place in a village. Which village? Yes, village of Mala. Okay. Then what happens in the story? So what happens means what happens in the beginning, what happens in the middle, and what happens in the end. Okay. So at beginning Mala longs to go to school with her brother Somu. Then at middle she fixes her pots, fixes her pots and sits outside the class. Okay. And Mala's parents, and at the end, finally Mala's parents send her to school, isn't it? And the lesson learned is, where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, I hope you understood. Similarly, you have to fill this. Okay, here we can see a question. Fill in the story map of the story The Blue Kite. So, you have to fill here about which story? Yes, about The Blue Kite. Okay, do you remember that story, children? So, before that you have to read the story. Then only you can fill this. Okay. So, the title of the story is? Will you please say? Yes, the title of the story is Blue Kite. Okay. And what is the story is about? Of course, the story is about good, Zippy. Then where does it takes place? Yes, you know the correct answer. So, please fill it. Okay. Then, please fill what happens in the beginning, middle and end. And finally, you have to fill this column. What is that? Yes, the lesson learned. So, please fill this. Please answer this question. Okay. So, fill this and send me. That's all for today. I hope you understood. Okay, thank you. Shall we start today's class? Okay, are you ready? Say loudly, children, are you ready? Okay. Then, do you like to read stories? Yes, we all like to read stories. But have you ever tried to retell a story to your parents or brother or any family members? Haven't you, children? Have you ever tried to retell a story? Yes, good. So while retelling a story, what we do? Yes, while retelling a story, we include all the events? No, we include only the important events. Do you remember our last class? Yes, while retelling a story, we include only the important events and avoid all the unimportant events. Okay. So, today we are moving to another method. By using story map, we can retell the story. Are you ready? It's a new method. So, today by using a story map, we can retell a story. Okay.